If you want to check the battery health on a Realme Note 70T, then we can use an app that provides some sort of information about our battery. For example, if you go to the Play Store, we can search for various different apps that contain this information. We can try to write something like battery health or something like that, or we can try to find something more general, like something that provides more information than just the battery. For example, the device info app. I have it already installed, so I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you how to find this information about battery health. So once you open the app, you can, over here at the top, scroll until you find the battery tab. We can go over here in order to find the information. For example, over here we have the health, which is a general information about the state of the battery. But besides it, we can also find the capacity, which we can see over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.